morning to all. My name is A. Muhammad Aslam, Assistant Professor of Computer Science and Department in Al-Amin Engineering College. Today we see the classifications of data structure. Before we need to know about the classifications of data structure, we need to know about data structure. A data structure is a specialized format for organized, store and manage the data in a computer so it can be accessed and updated efficiently. It is a way of arranged data in a logical or mathematical representation. It's consisting of common examples array, stack, queue and tree and graph. Classifications of data structure. It consisting of mainly two types. One is a linear data structure, another one is a non-linear data structure. In linear data structure, it have a two type, one static and dynamic. In static, we know array. In dynamic, queue, stack, linked list. Other side, it have a non-linear data structure. It have a mainly two types. One is a tree and another one is a graph. In primitive data structure. Primitive data structure is a kind of data stores that the single values. For example, it have a 5 main types. One is integer, it stores a whole number. Another one is a float, it stores the real number with the fractional values. Next is a character, a data type used to represent the single character. For example, a boolean, a data type used to represent the truth values, type true or false. For example, 0 and 1. String, a sequence of character used to represent a text. For example, India. Next is a non-primitive data structure. A non-primitive data structure is a type of data structure that can store more than one value or multiple values can be stored. It have a mainly two types. One is a linear data structure. It will arrange the sequential order. In non-linear data structure, it not arranged in a sequential order. Okay. Next, we move on to array concept. An array is a data structure used to collect multiple data elements for a same data type into one variable. Okay. It have index values zeros instead of 0 to 9. It have address values. Okay, it's like a memory locations. Okay, in here we have mainly three types in array concept. One is a one-dimensional, two-dimensional and multi-dimensional. One-dimensional can used for only a single row of data. In two-dimensional we use a multiple row of and column data. Multiple dimensional array, it have a matrix formations of rows and columns in multiples. Next, stack concept. In stack concept we follows one principle is a last in first out principle or first in last out principle. In here we insert and delete operations will presented in top of the stack only. Here we have a mainly two types. Okay, or two operations. One is a push or pop. Push is used for inserting an element. Pop operation is used for remove or deleting an element. Next, queue concept. In queue concept we follows one principle is a first in first out principle. Here we inserting a data from end of the stack, end of the queue and deleting the element front. Okay, primary operations of queue or NQ and DQ. NQ is used for inserting a new element, DQ is used for removing a new element. Next is a linked list. A linked list is a linear data structure that stores data elements in a sequential order. Okay, it's a tree. Tree data structure is a hierarchical representation used to organize the parent-child relationship. Next, graph. In a graph is a non-linear data structure that consisting of vertex and edges. It's a G is equal to V comma